안녕하세요. 123 김치의 태연입니다. Hello everyone, this is Taeyeon and welcome to 123 Kimchi. Think tofu is boring? Well, think again. Because today I'm going to show you how to make spicy braised tofu, Maeun Dubu-jorim in Korean. It's a simple and healthy dish that you can make in 20 minutes with all the ingredients you can find at a local grocery store. You'll be amazed how flavorful and juicy the tofu is after we braise it for only 2 minutes with my special sauce. So shall we look at the ingredients first? First, extra firm or firm tofu. If you just have regular tofu, then no problem. You can wrap the tofu with paper towel and put something heavy on it like Dutch oven pot or even cookbooks for an hour or so, and your tofu will be extra firm. I'm going to cut the tofu into 1.5 centimeter or half an inch thickness. Put a piece of paper towel underneath, and I'm going to transfer the tofu on a plate and sprinkle some salt on top. So salt is to season and to help drain the water out of the tofu. So it's going to make sure that tofu doesn't break when you pan fry it later. So let it sit for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to make the sauce. If you're quite familiar with Korean cooking, then you're right. This is very similar to bulgogi sauce. It has flavors from soy sauce and sesame, creating that nutty and umami-filled harmony. But today, it's a little bit different. I'm adding my twist to it. I'm adding some chili pepper to give some heat, and you're just going to love it. Just add your favorite chili pepper. So today I'm using the Thai Junda chili, which can be quite spicy, but it happened to be in my fridge today. And you can also use big and mild red chili, or even jalapeno chili pepper works perfect with this recipe. And I'm also going to mince the garlic and slice the green onion. Tablespoon. Now I'm ready to make the sauce. So here's Korean dark soy sauce, adding 2 tablespoons. Here is agave syrup. This one. You can substitute it with the same amount of honey or brown rice syrup if you don't have it, or even 1 teaspoon of sugar. But I just like agave syrup because it's neutral in taste. And here's some sesame oil. I'm using this one. And some water. 2 tablespoons. And now I'm going to add the black pepper. And some toasted sesame seeds. About half a teaspoon. Make sure you are crushing it when you put it in. And of course, I'm going to put all the chili pepper, garlic, and also sliced green onion. And now give it a nice stir. Now I'm ready to pan fry the tofu now, so I'm going to heat up the skillet over medium-high heat. Now when all parts of the pan is heated, add 1 tablespoon of the vegetable oil. And and swirl your pan around to coat every part of your pan. I'm adding one by one. So I'm going to pan fry on both sides of the tofu until they are golden brown and a little bit crispy on the side. But you don't want it too dry, so watch your tofu carefully. And I'm going to pour in the sauce. So the sauce should be reduced in half before you can put the tofu in it. So all the flavors from the garlic, spring onion, chili pepper should all mingle together into the sauce. Put the tofu back in. 2 minutes, right? So tofu goes in. I'm going to lower the heat to low heat, and I'm going to turn the tofu around. So this is all done. And along with all the sauce, really simple and quick with everything you can find at a local grocery store. And it's time for me to taste it, the best part about cooking, right? So the tofu already looks so juicy. I can tell it by the appearance of it. And tofu has all the flavors from soy sauce, sesame, green onion, garlic, chili pepper, all mingling together, creating such a nice harmony. So I'm going to serve my lunch with some warm rice today. But I tried this with the sandwich, like a bread, and put this in some vegetables, and it was so good as well. So now you try it yourself and share your story in the comments or on Instagram. I would love to hear all about it. And thank you for watching 123 Kimchi. Don't forget to like and subscribe.